Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to correct Dreamind Pro AI upscaling artifacts on your Dreamy TV. First of all, lower your sharpness level. To do that, press the gear button on your remote control and then scroll down to Picture. Here in Picture, we're gonna have to scroll down to Sharpness and try to make it as low as possible or simply disable it totally. Then also go to Advanced Settings and disable MPG and Noise Reduction. And additionally, we can also disable MEMC, which is not totally related to your AI artifacts, but it will also let you see less of them. So scroll down to MEMC and turn off this feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.